Hey shoppers, today we have a portable electric drill. It's really nice packaging, be a great gift idea. So it is portable. So what you do is you charge it, you plug it in right here, you charge the battery, and you can actually charge your cell phone. So that's kind of a cool little feature. So it puts out energy as well. This is the slot that holds the drill, and you just plug it in here and here to get it going. It has a clip, so you can clip it easily to your clothes or to the side of your table or wherever. And right here is how you pause it, and right here is how you put it in reverse. And right here you just turn this to power it on. So you take it out like this, and then you turn this knob to power it on. So you can hear and see the drill moving. And right here you can see how fast it's going. So the more you turn up the knob, the faster this will spin. Okay, then you can hit pause, and then you can hit reverse, unpause, and then it will put it into reverse. So this is great if you have shellac nails and because nail polish won't take it off. So sometimes you need a drill to kind of sand off that layer. Or if you just want to buffer out your nails, or if you do acrylics or dip, this is great to have. So it's a great price point. It's affordable for an in-home use, and it's portable. It would be great for a college student, a high school student, someone who likes to do their nails. Instruction manual on how to operate it and how to care for it. Ton of different accessories. So I'm going to show you all the things that it comes with. So it has all these different drill bit options and a little carrying case, little sanders, nail sanders or filers, and there's different grit. There's a higher grit and a lower grit. A brush, so once you get all the dust, you can easily brush the dust off your nails, out of your cuticles. And this is a really powerful plastic one. So say you have acrylics and you want to do like a diamond shape or a round shape, this will cut right through easily. I also want to point out on the digital screen, you can see how much battery you have. And then when you turn this, you can see how fast it is spinning all the way to power it off. Okay, so this is how it originally comes. You're going to see me unboxing it. This would be a great gift idea. Look at how nicely it's packaged. Everything is put in place and easy to see, and it's really an exciting gift to receive. That's the piece that attaches to the motor, and the drill fits inside. So this is the drill, and these are all the little attachments you can see up close, everything that it comes with, the rechargeable cord to charge the batteries in there. And here you can really see the digital screen, the battery light flashing. As I click the buttons on the side, you can see the pause, reverse, and forward. I absolutely love the ombre, blue and pink ombre color. So feminine. So you can see the battery light flashing. It's currently charging right now. This is the clip that's on the back side. I'm going to turn the knob and power it on. Notice how low the sound is.